My 86th video. In this video, I try to speak on an important topic. The topic is End of the Natural Reserves, Beginning of the World Peace. It is an interesting topic because today we witness various conflicts globally between nations, between races. So, the reason behind this kind of conflict witnessed all over the world in one form the other can be traced, can be looked back to what we call the competition for obtaining or procuring the natural resources. What are the natural resources? Natural resources: petroleum in the form of crude oil and natural gas, and coal. These are the important natural reserves found in the earth, in the upper crust of the earth, upper layer of the earth. So that's the reason why every nation will try to procure these natural reserves, and in competing so they enter into a conflict, and which leads to war between nations. So according to Pew Research Center, world's population is expected to stop growing by the end of this century due to falling global fertility rates. What is this? Today, it is evident that population is growing at an exponential rate, and now I think the world population is 800 billion. 8 billion, I mean 800 crores, 8 billion, 800 crores. The population, world population has reached an exorbitant figure, that is 8 billion people are there in the world, all over the world, that is 800 crores. But according to Pew Research Center reports, with the time the resources will come down, and the fertility rate also will come down, and the population also will stop at one point. That means this is a kind of cycle, we can say, life cycle on the planet Earth. Slowly it goes and comes to a stage where it stops, and again it comes down, declines, the population gets declined. As I already said, the natural resources are fossil fuels, that is petrol, natural gas and coal. In addition to these natural reserves are minerals also, radioactive minerals, which are the source of nuclear energy, for which there is a lot of competition between rich nations to procure the radioactive minerals like plutonium, uranium minerals. According to Richard Matthew and his associates, since 1990, at least 18 violent conflicts have erupted globally between rich nations in respect of the exploitation of these natural reserves, say crude oil and natural gas. In procuring this, there were 8 conflicts erupted, which were very These 18 conflicts were very violent and led to wars. Most of the wars between wealthy nations are linked to the exploitation of the crude oil and natural gas all over the world. Traditional mechanisms are not able to put an end to these conflicts which are taking the shape of the wars, world wars, and wars between nations, conflicts between nations, especially conflicts and which are been shaping into wars between powerful nations or rich nations. It is high time now, it is the need of the hour to have more comprehensive international laws, very strong international laws for checking this kind of exploitation of the natural reserves like fossil fuels like petroleum and natural gas and coal and radioactive minerals, because they are very important for developing the nuclear weapons and nuclear energy. And this kind of competition, bad competition for exploiting the natural resources should be controlled, should be regulated only when we have strong international laws which can put an end to this kind of conflict. Thank you very much, dear readers, viewers. For if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.